majestic dragons. This time, let's welcome once again our young Vipers. Thank you, Vipers! Siyempre, nandito ulit ang ating Blazing Echoes! Blazing Anchor. And of course, let's welcome back on the performance area our Yellow Thunders. To give a cue for our grand cheer, let's welcome Ate Daisy May Panelo. Wow! Palakpakan naman po! For everybody's information, si Ate Daisy po ang nag-compose ng grand cheer for this year's event at siya rin po ang nag-choreograph ng steps para sa grand cheer. Ate Daisy, isa pang round please! Ready, cheerers! Audience, ready! Ate, take it away! Ate Daisy. Maraming salamat sa'yo. And thank you so much to our cheerers, cheerleaders, and instrumentalists. You have proven that City Hires will always soar higher. Yeah! Sige, bigyan naman natin ng chance ang cheerers natin na makaupo. At Mike Q, pwede na tayong umupo? 2, 3. Let's now have on stage Ma'am Edita L. Laop, the Mathematics Department Head Teacher 6, for the acknowledgement.
Okay, relax muna, cheerers. So while waiting for the result, okay, it is high time to thank the people or group who were able to make this event a success. Okay? Naka-flash po sa screen natin. Okay, first to be acknowledged is the school administration headed by our school principal, Sir Whitney Dawayan, all the head teachers. A special mention to our overall intramurals coordinator, Sir Nicodemus Bangad, for approving this year's intramurals to be conducted not only for sports but for search for the Mr. and Miss Intramurals and this cheering competition. The working committees who work hard to ensure the smooth conduct of the activity from the beginning until today. So, andyan po yung mga pangalan nila. No need to mention kasi ang dami-dami po nila. They are composed of the mathematics teachers of the junior high school and the senior high school. Next to be acknowledged, so we have the school administration, the working committees. Sir Mike, please. Of course, wala pong mananalo kung wala ang mga board of judges. So as I mention your name, please come here at the side to receive your simple certificate and token of appreciation.
Ikaw ang start. Ikaw ang start. Ay, oo, sorry. Hindi ko lang. Masaya nga.
Mamaisa.
Ay, Mamaisa.
Okay, Sir Melcher, please. Okay, starting with judge number 1, Miss Daisy May Panelo. Thank you very much, ma'am. Second judge, or judge number 2, Sir Jesse Rivera. Thank you, sir. Third judge, we have Sir Renato Gumuyo. Thank you, sir. Our fourth judge, Ma'am Jamie Yaneza. Thank you very much, ma'am. And our chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Frank Lloyd de Guzman. Thank you, sir. Okay. Next to be acknowledged, kung wala mga competing teams with their head teacher coordinators, their teacher coordinators, and their coaches, wala pong i-judge ang mga judges. So, Team Vipers, Team Yellow Thunders, Team Mighty Bakunawa, Team Ravenclaws, Team Blazing Anka, and Team Majestic Dragons. Okay, thank you for participating. And then, wala po tayong naibibigay na tokens at mga trophies ng winners kung wala po ang ating mga sponsors. So we have our school canteens, Carmicas, Noques, Cooperative Canteen, Makeshift Canteen, plus the Supreme Secondary Learner Government or SSLG, Science Teachers Association, Stable Merchandise, and Panghoy Enterprises. Okay? And of course, the overall steering committee members, Ma'am Aiza Bitanga, Sir Melchor Picat, Ma'am Laila Pinisen, mula sa pag-organize, pag-coordinate, schedule ng practices, and to see to it that everything is working well, sila po ang nagtrabaho para maging successful ang ating cheering competitions. We also have some individuals to thank for Ma'am Marin Bugatti. Siya po ang gumawa ng lace ng mga judges. Siya ang nag-design ng level ng mga trophies. Okay? So, that is how artistic City Hires are. And then we have Sir Custer Patibal. Siya po ang nag-design ng backdrop, ng program paper, at saka yung design ng tokens ng mga winners. Okay? And of course, nahirapan kaming kumontak at maghanap ng caliber na judges. Okay? And one of our former teachers helped us contact and communicate with them, and we have to find Ma'am Ana Grace Capamilla. Thank you very much. Mula po sa Mathematics Department ng Junior High School at Senior High School, thank you, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Ma'am Edith. Okay, the most awaited part, bukod sa competition proper, is now the awarding of winners. Let's start with the awarding of minor award.
Minor.
For the best in minor awards, tatlo actually yun. Una,
Naglagay ng upuan sa upuan.
Best Silent Trio.
Sir, kaway naman sa...
Dalawa, Best Cheerleader. And pangatlo, Best Cheers. Para sa minor awards, representative ng grupo ang aakyat sa stage na aabutan ng award ni Ma'am Edith at ng judge na babanggitin ko ang pangalan. Are you ready? The best in silent drill goes to be awarded by Ma'am Edith and Ate Daisy. Ang pupunta sa harap ay okay, cheerleader. Best in silent drill goes to entry number 3. The Majestic Dragons. Thank you and congratulations, Majestic Dragons. Thank you, Kuya. Up next, let's award the best cheerleader. Best cheerleader to be awarded by Ma'am Evie and Kuya Jessie. Our best cheerleader is none other than Sir John Court Villalobos. Thank you so much and congratulations, Sir Bernard. Last of the three minor awards is the best cheers. Sir Ricky. Thank you, Sir Ricky. Alam niyo na, di ba? Best cheers! Siyempre, nung ginudge to, mga kaibigan, lyrics lang, walang tono. Kasi yung content ang ginudge. Okay. The Best Cheers Award goes to... Let's see, number 1! Congratulations. Okay. Magpahinga muna tayo saglit. I-reserve natin yung tatlong major awards later after the closing remarks from Sir Nicodemus Gamad, the overall chairman of this year's Intramurals.
Thank you very much. Excited na ba kayo? So before going to the closing, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, mapalan ka. Mapalan tayo. Because out of 7,000 plus na estudyante at faculty members, employees ng City High, 20% lang ang nandito sa ating auditorium. Yes! So again, sa lahat po, konti lang nandito. So out of how many sections? Ilang sections lang. So actually, you're very blessed at nandito tayo. So that concludes our competition with this intramural cheering competition. You exemplify the strength and unity through sports. Thank you for making the Baguio City High School intramural success and wonderful. Friendly school community event. You brought the energy, you brought the spirit, and you made this event unforgettable. Thank you, everyone.
I agree, sir. Unforgettable ang event na ito. Lalong-lalo na kasi ito nga yung sabi ni Sir kanina, ang pagbabalik. Okay, dito na tayo sa major awards. Of the major awards, the cheerleader will go up the stage together with our coach or coaches. Yung cheerers and instrumentalists, dito tayo sa mat. Kasi hindi kasya lahat sa stage. Okay? Sige, let's start with cheering exhibition second runner-up. The 2025 cheering exhibition second runner-up is entry number 1. To be awarded by Ma'am Jamie, Coach Ma'am Rowena Bernal and Ma'am Regina Buaga. Congratulations. First runner-up to be awarded by Ma'am Eddie and Sir Whitney and Sir Frank. The 2025 cheering competition second runner-up is entry number 2. Congratulations, Bakunawas. Tingin dito, cheers! Cheers! Harap sa likod, cheers! Harap sa likod! Sorry, first runner-up. Okay, smile! Once again, our first runner-up, Damati Bakunawa. And of course, it's now time for us to award the 2025 Cheering Competition Champions. Okay? Hello? I want everybody's attention para malinaw ang lahat. Excuse me? Thank you. Check muna natin. Grade 7, nandyan pa ba kayo? What about the grade 8? Grade 9? Grade 10? Grade 11? And grade 12? Okay, let's now announce the 2025 Cheering Competition Champion. Automatically, ang magcha-champion, yung coach or coaches nila will also receive the award Best Coach. The 2025 Cheering Competition Champion is none other than number 3! Thank you and congratulations to our majestic dragon. Ayun na. Palakpakan natin lahat ng cheers! Congratulations, everyone! That wraps up the 2025 cheering competition. Once again, thank you and congratulations to everyone. Save here, see Hagger. Bye-bye. See you again soon.
Nakalap ko yung pamangkin ko. Nagbabasip na gano'n. Nag-tiktok na.